April is a fantastic month for gardeners. As the weather warms and the days get longer, we can finally get our hands dirty and start planting some delicious vegetables. Broccoli, a cool season crop, thrives in the mild temperatures of spring. There's nothing quite as satisfying as harvesting your own homegrown food.
Imagine the taste of freshly picked broccoli, tender and full of flavor, going straight from your garden to your plate. This April, let's embark on a journey to grow our own beautiful broccoli. Starting your broccoli in April gives it a head start. The cooler weather helps the plants establish strong roots and leafy growth before the summer heat sets in. This early start means you'll be enjoying homegrown broccoli well before summer arrives. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started.
Walking into a garden centre can be overwhelming, especially with so many broccoli varieties to choose from. Don't worry, we'll simplify it for you. Look for varieties that are known to do well in spring. Green Magic is a reliable choice, producing large dome-shaped heads. Voltham 29 is another great option, known for its cold hardiness and abundant yields.
For a touch of Italian flair, try Calabrese, a heirloom variety with flavorful, sprouting heads. Each variety has its unique qualities, but they all share one thing in common. They're delicious and easy to grow. Consider what kind of broccoli you enjoy eating the most. Do you prefer large, single heads or smaller, more numerous side shoots? Choosing the right variety is the first step to a successful broccoli harvest.
Now that you've chosen your broccoli variety, it's time to get those seeds started. Broccoli seeds can be sown directly outdoors or started indoors for an early start. If you're starting indoors, use seed trays or small pots filled with seed starting mix. Plant the seeds about ½ inch deep and water them gently. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Broccoli seeds prefer cooler temperatures to germinate, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you're sowing directly outdoors, wait until the danger of frost has passed. Choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Plant the seeds ½ inch deep and about a foot apart. Keep the soil consistently moist, and you should see those little green shoots emerge in about a week or two. Section 4. Transplanting time, giving your broccoli room to grow.
After about 4 to 6 weeks, your broccoli seedlings should be strong enough to transplant into the garden. Choose a cloudy day or late afternoon to transplant, as this minimizes stress on the young plants. Before transplanting, prepare the garden bed by loosening the soil and adding compost or well-rotted manure. Broccoli prefers slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8.
Space the seedlings about 18 inches apart in rows that are 2 to 3 feet apart. This spacing gives the broccoli plenty of room to grow those large, healthy heads. Water the seedlings well after transplanting to help them settle into their new home. Section 5. Broccoli TLC, watering, feeding, and keeping pests at bay.
Broccoli needs consistent moisture, especially during dry spells. Water deeply about once a week, ensuring the water reaches the roots. Mulching around the plants with straw or wood chips helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Feed your broccoli every few weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer to promote healthy growth.
Keep an eye out for common pests like cabbage worms and aphids. These pesky critters can damage your broccoli plants. If you notice any infestations, try using insecticidal soap or neem oil to control them. Regularly inspecting your plants and taking preventative measures will ensure a bountiful harvest. Section 6. Harvest bounty, enjoying the fruits of your labor.
About 2 to 3 months after planting, you'll start to see those beautiful broccoli heads forming. Harvest the main head when it's about 6 to 8 inches in diameter and the buds are tightly closed. Use a sharp knife to cut the head off the plant, leaving about 6 inches of stalk attached.
After harvesting the main head, don't pull up the plant. Broccoli is a cut-and-come-again vegetable. This means that after you harvest the main head, the plant will continue to produce smaller side shoots for several weeks. These side shoots are just as delicious as the main head and can be harvested as soon as they're big enough to eat. Section 7. Conclusion. Reap the rewards.
Growing your own broccoli is a rewarding experience. It's a chance to connect with nature, get your hands dirty, and enjoy the freshest, most flavorful produce imaginable. From the moment those tiny seeds sprout to the joy of harvesting your first head of broccoli, you'll experience a sense of accomplishment that only comes from growing your own food.
So this April, why not give broccoli a try? With a little care and attention, you'll be amazed at what you can grow. You'll not only be rewarded with delicious, nutritious food, but also the immense satisfaction of knowing that you grew it yourself.